Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Comfort. Guys, we have a breaking news here. As you can see here, we have a breaking news guys. Breaking news about AAS. Okay, we have a breaking news about AAS. Like I said on my former videos that AAS is going to come back strongly. We're going to come back strongly. Guys, AAS is coming back strongly. So before we get into this video, before we see the breaking news, if you're new to my channel, do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this, and then turn on the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, there is a lot of things going on the ground. Don't mind those people shouting AAS is a scam, AAS is this, AAS is that. But you don't actually know that there are so many things, there are so many works going on the ground. There are so many things going on the ground. I'm going to show you some tips. I'm going to show you what have been done already. That Justin Michael is not sleeping. Justin Michael is not sleeping. So I'm not going to talk much. I'm going to show you what has happened to AAS. That you should keep your mind at peace and get ready. Just get ready. Because soon or later, your ROI will start dropping. And there's going to be armor. There's going to be armor. So guys, get prepared for this armor. Okay, get prepared for this armor. If you haven't joined the Telegram, okay guys, Telegram group is restricted now because they said till the platform open, till trading starts. That's when the platform, the Telegram group, that's when you can join again. But for now, you cannot join. But I'll be posting the updates on my Telegram group. So you just need to click on the description box there below. I'm going to see my Telegram group. Join there and you'll be getting AAS updates till the trading begin fully. And if you want to register with AAS, guys, you're gonna wait for this to open fully before you start trading. So I'm gonna show you guys what the breaking news is all about. So stay tuned so that you won't miss any updates on this video. Stay tuned and then watch and share this video to your friends and family who registered with AAS. Let's get into the tutorial. As you can see guys, the breaking news said that it's a wait for more updates only from the CEO. Okay, wait for more update from the CEO. Now, this is coming directly from the desk of Interpol, EFCC, FBI, and Inspector General of Police. The hackers to AAS platform has been caught by the security agency across board. Wait for an AMA meeting coming soon. There's going to be an AMA on the Telegram group with Justin Michael. I'll be posting you updates. If you have not been able to join the Telegram group, I'll be posting you updates. So do well to join my Telegram group and then subscribe so you won't miss any of the updates. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you those guys. Guys, it's not your money that has been hacked. Okay, it's not your money that has been hacked. Your money is safe. Okay, they only hacked the blockchain, and AAS has come back again. He's working on a stronger blockchain in which they cannot hack. And guys, the most surprising thing is that the hackers, they are the dev team. You can imagine, they are the dev team. They are the one that hack AAS. Guys, this information does not just come from me. This is coming from the CEO. So guys, let's go ahead and then I'm going to show you the pictures of the scammers. As you can see on my screen here, you can see that the two of them have been handcuffed together. The two of them have been handcuffed, as you can see here. The two of them has been handcuffed. Guys, these are the people that pause our ROI. Okay, they thought they can be able to, they thought they can hack the platform and run away. But Justin Michael is much more smarter than them. Okay, Justin Michael is much more smarter than them. So let's just go ahead and see. They said after hacking, they ran away. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. And these are the two hackers. Okay, look at them. They have been handcuffed together. Look at them. Being handcuffed together. Look at them. Okay, these are the pictures I got from the Telegram. This is Nigerian Police Crime and Incident Database Center. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and highlight it for you. You can see it clearly. Nigerian Police Crime and Incident Database Center. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. Now, this is the arrival. Arrive Interpol Nigeria with the hackers. He said thanks to Interpol Tanzania, thanks to Interpol Ethiopia, thanks to Interpol Nigeria, thanks to EFCC, thanks to FBI. Guys, have you seen a CEO who have arrested the hackers of his platform before? CEO Justin really shocked me, and I don't know about you. Guys, this man is really trying to work. This man is really working on eradicating poverty. Yes. And people are trying to take advantage of that. And these are the people who are working with him. They are working for him. They are the dev team. Okay? So guys, more videos. Like I said, that they were the dev team of AAS. Okay? Working in collaboration with the international hackers to hack AAS. Can you imagine that? They were arrested in Tanzania where they ran to. The video of them being flown back to Nigeria. The airplane came in this night. Okay? And now say wait for AMA meeting coming soon. Okay? Now I'm going to show you the arrival. So guys, I'm showing you this so that your mind can be calm. So that you'll be calm and cool down yourself and relax your mind and wait for, we are going to hear good news soon. Very soon we are going to have a very big news. Okay? So this is the arrival of Jason Michael with the hackers. I'm going to go on and play the video. Just a few minutes video. Can see Jason Michael is working hard to make sure that this platform come back as it was before. And next is the arrival. Can see they have arrived, and this will happen tonight. It's happened this night. Okay. The man is really working, guys. This man is really working. If you are still there shouting, is this the first online thing that you have done? This is not the first online investment you have done. As you can see, they will just run away with your money and you won't be able to do anything. But when the ROI stopped dropping, the Telegram channel was still working. The Telegram group was still working. Interact, he comes and then he chats and give us encouraging words. What he asks us to do is just to be patient. He said patient. What if he never comes back? What are you going to do? So guys, that's not the case. The case here is that AAS is coming back stronger. It's coming back stronger. Yes, AAS is coming back stronger. So share this video with your friends, share it, because there are so many people who registered with AAS and they don't have any idea of what is happening in the background. They think maybe their money is gone. Their money is not gone, guys. Even if you have not withdrawn $1 in AAS before, you just need to remain calm. Very soon, we are going to hear a very big testimony. We are going to hear good news. And also, they say that AMA is coming soon. You are going to ask questions. You're going to join the AMA. You ask questions. You're going to see him. You ask questions. Okay? And so, guys, this is just a testing of AAS. This is the ping of AAS. You can see that the platform it will come back stronger. Everything is so fast. This is just a test, okay, that is shown, okay? But you cannot just access it here. This is just a test, how it's going to look like. And you can see how everything is so fast. So, guys, just relax your mind. I'm already relaxing my mind and I'm waiting for the good news. When I told you guys that you will get your money back, I was having so many comments. Some people said just forget about it. Some people said you're expecting in forget about the expectation, look for other things to do. I was having series of comments on my channel and I go on in replying them. I just tell everyone to stay positive. I told everyone to stay positive that AAS is coming back. And yes, AAS is coming back. Guys, sooner or later, you will be the one to call Justin Mike and be and be thanking him, because the man is doing wonders. The man is trying. He said it that he's not coming to eat from the poor, to eat from where he did not plant. He's coming to make the widow, the poor, the rich to become richer. So guys, without wasting much time, okay, without wasting much time, for those of you that want to join the Telegram group, okay, the main Telegram group, for now, you cannot join the Telegram group till trading starts, okay? But till then, join my Telegram group. From there, you'll be getting update from AAS. And once the trading start again, the Telegram group will be open and you'll be able to join, okay? You'll be able to join. Please share this video. Share this video, because you don't know somebody that has already lost hope. So many people have already losing their hope on AAS. Share this video. Let this video go viral, okay? Let them come across this video so that they can have peace of mind. They can relax their mind and know that their money is they're going to withdraw their money again, okay? That this ROI will start dropping again very soon. Good news, okay? So stay on my Telegram group. Stay on my Telegram group and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the AMA, because I'll be updating you on the AMA, okay? I've not gotten the date yet, but AMA is going to start soon according to the CEO, okay? I'm giving you direct info from the CEO, okay? So until then, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next video.